What plants should you grow in your garden? Choosing the right plants for a garden is both exciting and challenging. A garden is more than just soil and flowers, it's a living canvas that reflects your personality, lifestyle, and environment. When deciding what to grow, consider climate, space, purpose, and the amount of time you can dedicate to care. The right choices can turn your garden into a sanctuary, while the wrong ones may lead to frustration. The first step is to understand your climate and soil. Some plants love the heat, like hibiscus or bougainvillea, while others prefer cooler weather, like pansies or lettuce. Testing your soil tells you whether it is sandy, clay-heavy, or rich in organic matter. Matching plants to soil conditions ensures they thrive without constant struggle. For example, lavender loves dry, sandy soil, while hydrangeas flourish in richer, moister soil. If your goal is beauty, then flowering plants are an obvious choice. Roses, lilies, sunflowers, and marigolds bring color and fragrance that uplift the spirit. Perennials provide long-lasting beauty, while annuals add seasonal variety. For those who love nighttime charm, adding moonflowers or night-blooming jasmine creates magic after sunset. For gardeners who value practicality, vegetables and herbs are rewarding. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and leafy greens are relatively easy to grow and provide fresh food straight from the garden. Herbs like basil, mint, rosemary, and coriander not only flavor your meals but also add greenery and aroma to your space. Growing your own food gives a sense of independence and health that store-bought produce cannot match. Some people design gardens for relaxation and peace. In such cases, plants with soothing qualities are ideal. Lavender, chamomile, and jasmine are known for their calming fragrance. Ferns, palms, and ornamental grasses add a sense of natural tranquility. These plants turn a garden into a retreat where stress melts away. Pollinator-friendly plants are another important consideration. Bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds play a vital role in ecosystems. By planting nectar-rich flowers like sunflowers, echinacea, and zinnias, you not only support pollinators but also ensure better yields for your fruits and vegetables. Space is also a factor. In small gardens or balconies, compact plants like potted geraniums, succulents, and herbs work beautifully. Vertical gardens, hanging baskets, and trellised climbers maximize limited space. Larger yards, on the other hand, can host fruit trees, shrubs, and vegetable beds, creating a diverse and abundant landscape. Personal preference matters as much as practical concerns. A garden should make you happy. If bright colors energize you, choose bold flowers. If subtle tones soothe you, pick whites, blues, and pastels. If you enjoy variety, mix edibles with ornamentals, blending function with beauty. Ultimately, the best plants for your garden are those that suit your environment, purpose, and personal preferences. A well-chosen garden reflects its caretaker. Whether filled with roses or vegetables, towering trees or tiny succulents, the plants you choose become part of your daily life. They grow with you, respond to your care, and create an ever-changing picture of nature's beauty right outside your door.